Over the last 16 years, Hubble has been exploring the universe to look at the deepest views that we can use with Hubble. And this is an image of hundreds of thousands of galaxies, each of which has billions of stars, and it's giving us our most detailed and our deepest view of the universe, looking back almost to the origins of the universe itself, galaxies as they were only 500 million years old in a universe that's about 13.7 billion years old. And so it's really exploring the history of, where did we come from? Where did the universe come from? How did it evolve? The Hubble Space Telescope was launched in 1990. It's celebrating 29 years on orbit, which is really old for a spacecraft. But because Hubble was designed to be visited by the space shuttle, we've been able to keep Hubble in great shape, bringing up new scientific instruments, cameras that are helping us to unravel the mysteries of the universe, repairing things that break, putting in new batteries, new insulation, new power systems, solar arrays. And so we've been able to keep the Hubble in great shape. And this week we're celebrating the 10th anniversary of the servicing mission that I was on with my crewmates just 10 years ago, doing spacewalks and giving a super duper upgrade to the Hubble so that it's now really in the best shape that it's ever been in. Well, just being an astronaut is an incredible privilege, and floating in space and seeing the Earth is a magical experience. But for me as an astronomer, going out in a spacesuit and working on the Hubble is just the ultimate experience. There's nothing cooler. When you're in a spacesuit, you're basically your own little spaceship out there in space, and the Hubble is an incredible icon of science. And so to me it was the holy grail of being an astronaut. Well, I grew up reading a lot of science fiction, being a space fan, watching a lot of science fiction films. So I was expecting, the wonders of space and the beauty of the Earth. What surprised me the most was that I kind of discovered my humanity. That being in a tight crew, working together as a team with hundreds, thousands of folks on the ground, that there's really nothing, I think, that humans can't achieve if we work together as a team, and if we have good challenges, things that are worth doing, we can do almost anything. Well, Hubble's in pretty good shape. We left it with everything operational on the last mission, and it's been humming away for 10 years doing great science. You saw that incredible image of the deep field. It's making beautiful pictures of galaxies, objects in our solar system, studying storms on Mars, aurora on Jupiter, looking at exoplanets, planets around other stars. And so we hope that it'll keep operating for many years. It's giving us science that we just never imagined, the life and death of stars, and of course those deep views of the universe. Well, I grew up in the 1960s. I was in elementary school, and there's no question that I was deeply influenced and inspired to study math and science by the lunar explorers of the Apollo program. But it's been 50 years since we've been back on the moon, and so I think it's a great opportunity to inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers, and really everybody in our country and around the world, by having a challenge of landing on the moon. The great thing about the Hubble Space Telescope is that all of the images, and in fact all of the scientific data, is available to the public. And of course you can go to nasa.gov, and if you go to nasa.gov Hubble, you can find it, or you can follow Hubble at NASA Hubble.